So it is given that to stop the train, the spring compressed by how much? 2 2 meters, right? Yeah, 2 meters. Let the spring constant be k, and this is our train when it stopped. Now we know that all the kinetic energy of the train would now be converted into all the potential energy of the spring. Okay, as per simple conservation of energy, because if initially a train was moving with speed v, so all of its kinetic energy would gets converted into spring energy. That's why the train stopped. That means spring constant would be what? Mv square divided by x square. Now we have given that the mass of the train is 2.05 times 10 to the power 5, and speed of it is 0.75 meters per second square.